fellow kabayan, try this agency. I will recommend you 100% that you will not regret to buy for them. Actually, I'm 15 years here in UAE and I'm working as a beauty advisor. Actually, I got scammed for my past agency, which is one of my colleagues, she told me to try from this agency, which is my agency now, and I got very, very, very happy because I got their trust for me because I got my visa very, very easy and I never felt that I will get again scam same before. And thank you for Madam because she gave me a very, very good satisfactory for my visa until now. I invest a lot of money for paying my visa, but I got, natutuwa ako kasi kahit nag-spend ako ng malaking pera, natutuwa ako dahil napakaganda na ngayon yung nangyayari sa akin. Even na-scam ako, but thankful ako dito sa company na to at sa agency na to kasi tinulungan ako. Sobrang tinulungan talaga ako. At hindi ako nag-waste ng pera dahil as in, sobrang tulong ang naibigay sa akin ng agency na meron ako ngayon. And I trust them and they trust me also. Kaya salamat sa may-ari ng agency na to dahil tinulungan ako as in, sobrang tulong ang binigay sa akin. Mga fellow ko kabayan, you can try this agency 100% na hindi kayo magkakaroon ng fine, wala kayong makukuha dyan sa labas na huhuliin kayo ng mga CID or anything. You will trust this agency 100%. And for this 15 years, I got to know na pwede pala akong mag-invest sa ibang bansa, na magagamit ko pala itong visa ko na meron ako, which is, they explain me in good way. Hindi mawi-waste yung pera na binayaran ko sa kanila kasi parang doble yung mangyayari sa akin dito sa visa na binili ko. So, and isa pa, if ever you inquire this company or this agency and they ask you for your documents, no need to doubt why they are asking you for your old documents because they want to check if you have penalty, if you are like overstay here, at least they will help you and they will guide you what you will do. And one thing, 100% they will help you to pass this, this problem that you are holding it. All my kabayan, to all my fellow kabayan, you can visit them. You can book your appointment now from this agency because I will give you 100%. They are legit company.